Hi YouTube, it's Alan Sagano, president of ADS Consulting Group, and today I'm here to talk to you about application whitelisting. So you may have heard of blacklisting, which basically if an application's on the blacklist, it won't run. Application whitelisting kind of does the same thing, but in reverse. Essentially, if an application is not on the whitelist, it will not be allowed to run on your network. With all these new crypto variants coming out and all this other scary stuff, if you're serious about network security, we're starting to recommend that you actually go to an application whitelist. That way, it really does exponentially increase your network security. The downside is that it can kind of a maintenance nightmare. Because every new application you're going to whitelist, and oh look, another application I got to whitelist, blah blah blah. So the maintenance can become very difficult. One of my very good friends, Jeremy Moskowitz, who runs GP Answers, if you know who Jeremy is, he's a group policy guru. He has a package called PolicyPak, and PolicyPak was originally driven to be able to control the behavior of applications and control them and button them down, which is awesome. But one of the things that PolicyPak can do is application whitelisting. It does it with a little bit different twist in that if an administrator installs the application, it automatically gets put on the whitelist. Now, of course, that means you have to make sure your administrators know what they're doing and not install malware on your computers. That's a separate discussion. But the advantage of that is that you can use PolicyPak to do your application whitelisting, and it cuts down on the maintenance because if your admins are installing an application, automatically gets added to the whitelist. You don't have to do it manually. So I'll put a link here to PolicyPak down there if you're interested in doing application whitelisting. We feel it's a good thing to do, especially with all the crypto variants floating around. It is a little bit more maintenance to maintain that application whitelist. That being said, if you get hit with crypto, you know what? All that time you spend application whitelisting, it'll be worth every penny if it prevents an infection. So that's our tip of the day. Hopefully you like this content. If you do, please boink, hit that subscribe button, and we'll keep producing this content. Thanks a lot for listening, and we'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.